Okay, I'm going to use the same brown to make the stem for the apple. Then I have some green. We can make that. And we're going to make some little sunflowers around the cake. So this is again a leaf tip. I've just taken the yellow buttercream and put a little bit of brown in the bag first, and then this is the tip 352. So we'll just go ahead around like back here. So what I'm doing is just squeezing probably about 6 petals. Okay, and then go in between those petals and squeeze a smaller one. And then just take the brown and just do a little dot in the center. Okay, and then we can take some little leaves. Like so. You can even take a vine tip and do a little bit of vine. And we can also write on this book, like let's just write math. Okay, and we still have this ruler, so we'll just have this ruler kind of sitting up here, like so. And we can go ahead and do some of the black lines on this. Okay, so I just have some small ABC cutters. You could do ABC, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to do ABC. Notice I use the back of a skewer. You could use the back front of a skewer, whatever. Or you could use the back of a paintbrush to get that out. It's a little tight in there. So I've got my A and my C in blue and my B's in red. Okay, so I'll just start kind of over here, just to add some color down here. So you need to do this while the fondant's still soft so you can curve it over the edge like that. Okay. Okay, so I have a few points here on the brown center, so I'll just pop those down since it's a little dry now. Let's see, so I've added the ABCs here, added some color down there, all the way around the back and here. And then the other thing is I have these, but you know what, this cake is full, so I really don't need these. So maybe you could just put them on the side of the cake, color and put them on the side of the cake. So I am going to write though with white buttercream because it's supposed to be like chalk. So I am just going to write, school is cool. Okay, and there you go. Perfect for your back to school parties.